Welcome back to Take and Grow, your daily source for self-improvement and unlocking your full potential. Today, we're tackling a topic that might make you squirm a little, but it's crucial for your personal growth journey. We're talking about habits that, and I'm going to use a strong word here, can make you ugly.
Now hold on. Before anyone gets offended, let's clarify. We're not saying you are ugly. In fact, we truly believe everyone has a unique glow and presence. But here's the catch. Every single day, you might be doing little things, tiny, almost invisible habits that are quietly robbing you of that glow, your natural presence, your inherent attractiveness. And the truly scary part? You probably don't even realize it's happening.
Exactly. Think about it. It's not always genetics. It's not just about what your face looks like or how tall you are. The reason some people walk into a room and instantly turn heads, radiating confidence, while others just seem to blend into the background, comes down to something deeper: your daily habits. These habits can either make you magnetic or they can make you look drained, tired, and yes, diminish your natural attractiveness. If you don't fix them now, the damage piles up, and one day you might look in the mirror and wonder, when did I start looking this way?
But here's the good news, and this is where Take and Grow shines. When you identify and cut out these destructive habits, your natural attractiveness, that inner radiance, shines through, effortlessly. You start glowing without even trying. People notice the difference, even if they can't quite explain why. So let's break down these 7 habits that secretly make you ugly, and more importantly, how to fix them before it's too late. Are you ready to uncover your true glow?
Habit 1. Neglecting your sleep, the hidden beauty destroyer. Let's kick things off with a habit that almost all of us are guilty of at some point: neglecting your sleep. We live in a world that glorifies grind culture, team no sleep, 24/7 hustle. But here's the blunt truth: lack of sleep makes you ugly fast.
It's so true. Think about it. That puffy face, the dark circles that concealer can barely hide, that dull, lifeless skin, that's your body screaming, "Let me recover." Sleep is literally your body's beauty filter. When you sleep, your cells repair, your skin rebuilds collagen, your brain flushes out toxins, and your entire system gets a much-needed reset.
And when you skip sleep often enough, you're essentially aging yourself years ahead of schedule. You'll look like a smartphone constantly running on 5% battery, still functional perhaps, but clearly struggling, drained, and not operating at its best. This isn't just about looking tired. It's about your entire vitality being compromised. It impacts your energy, your mood, and how you interact with the world.
The fix is straightforward, but requires discipline, which is a core tenet of Take and Grow. Make sleep sacred. Aim for 7 to 9 hours, non-negotiable. No scrolling till 3 a.m., no late-night caffeine. Treat your sleep like your most powerful skincare routine, because it is. Prioritizing sleep is a foundational step to building confidence and unlocking your full potential, as a well-rested mind and body perform at their peak.
Habit 2. Poor posture, confidence, connection, and your appearance. Next up is something incredibly subtle but profoundly impactful: poor posture. Want to instantly look less attractive and diminish your presence? Slouch. That hunched back, rounded shoulders, head tilted down, it doesn't just hurt your spine, it makes you look smaller, weaker, and incredibly insecure.
It's fascinating how much nonverbal communication impacts attractiveness. Confidence isn't just seen in the face, it's in your entire physicality. Someone who walks tall, shoulders back, chin up, automatically looks more magnetic, regardless of their facial features. They command attention. They exude self-assurance. It speaks to a mastering your mindset principle. Your body language reflects your inner state.
Beyond the immediate visual, bad posture also messes with your body long-term. We're talking chronic neck pain, back pain, and yes, even affecting your jawline over time. It signals to others and to yourself that you're not ready to engage, not fully present. This isn't just about superficial looks, it's about how you carry yourself through life, literally and figuratively.
The fix is be hyper-conscious of how you carry yourself. Stand tall, shoulders back, chin up. Imagine a string pulling you upward from the crown of your head. Confidence is a full body experience. Act like you own the space you walk into. This isn't about arrogance, it's about radiating self-respect and readiness to take action, which are key aspects of personal growth.
Habit 3. Constant stress, the internal age accelerator. The third habit is a silent killer of our glow, constant stress. Stress doesn't just live in your head, it manifests on your face and body. Think wrinkles, acne breakouts, hair loss, and premature aging. When cortisol, the stress hormone, is constantly pumping, your body goes into survival mode.
And you know what survival mode says? Forget glowing skin. Forget looking fresh. We're just trying to not die. That drained, tense, always on edge look, that's stress turning you ugly. It dulls your eyes, tightens your jaw, and makes you appear perpetually worried or exhausted. It completely undermines any effort you're making towards a healthier lifestyle.
It's a vicious cycle. The more stressed you are, the worse you look and feel, which often leads to more stress. This is a critical area for mastering your mindset, as we often talk about on Take and Grow. We can't escape stress entirely, but we can master our response to it.
The fix is you can't eliminate stress, but you can manage it. Practice deep breathing, move your body, meditate, journal, or just unplug for a while. The most attractive people are often the ones who radiate calm, who look like life isn't shaking them even when chaos is all around. Cultivating inner peace is a powerful way to unlock your full potential and achieve a healthier lifestyle.
Habit 4. Ignoring your skin, your personal business card. Let's be blunt for our fourth habit, ignoring your skin. Your face is your business card. And no, skincare isn't just for women. It's basic self-care and hygiene for everyone. Neglecting your skin leads to clogged pores, uneven texture, acne scars that never heal, worse sun damage, and skin that can look decades older than you are.
Think of your skin as the canvas that the rest of your life is painted on. If you ignore it, the picture fades, colors dull, and everything looks less vibrant. This isn't about vanity, it's about respecting the largest organ of your body, which is constantly exposed to the elements. It's part of building success habits, caring for your physical self.
And it's not just about what you put on your skin. What you put in your body and how much water you drink profoundly affects your skin's health and appearance. Hydration is key to that natural glow.
The fix? Keep it simple. Cleanse, moisturize, and use sunscreen daily. That's it. Drink water like your skin depends on it, because it absolutely does. Take care of your face, and your face will take care of you, projecting an image of someone who is disciplined and takes action in their life.
Habit 5. Negative self-talk and gossip, the energy drainer. This fifth habit might shock you, but nothing makes someone look uglier faster than constant negativity, both about themselves and others. Have you ever met someone physically good-looking, but the moment they open their mouth, the energy in the room just dies?
It's true. Complaining, gossiping, trash-talking themselves or others, it drains them and it drains you. Attractiveness isn't just about bone structure, it's profoundly about energy. When you radiate negativity, your whole presence becomes heavy, sour, and uninviting. This contradicts everything we stand for at Take and Grow about boosting productivity and creating a healthier lifestyle.
And people are instinctively drawn to positive, uplifting energy. If your internal monologue or external conversations are filled with doubt, cynicism, or judgment, it casts a shadow over your entire being. It shows up in your eyes, in your facial expressions, in the way you carry yourself.
The fix: catch yourself when you talk down to yourself or others. Replace "I'm so ugly" with "I'm working on myself." Replace "I always fail" with "I'm learning and growing." The most magnetic people aren't necessarily the ones with perfect faces. They're the ones who carry light inside them, who radiate optimism and genuine care. This is a crucial step in building confidence and mastering your mindset.
Habit 6. Poor eating habits. Fueling your inner glow. Our sixth habit is a cliché, but painfully true. You are what you eat. If your daily fuel is predominantly sugar, fried foods, and sodas, don't be surprised when your skin looks inflamed, your body feels sluggish, and that natural glow disappears.
Food literally builds your cells. Every bite you take becomes part of your hair, your skin, your energy levels, and your overall vitality. If you put garbage in, your body builds itself out of garbage. It's impossible to feel and look your best when you're not nourishing yourself properly. This ties directly into creating a healthier lifestyle, which is a cornerstone of Take and Grow.
And it's not about strict diets or deprivation, but conscious choices. The link between gut health and skin health, for instance, is undeniable. What happens inside truly shows up outside. You can't expect peak performance or a vibrant appearance from poor fuel.
The fix? Don't overcomplicate it. More whole foods, more fresh veggies, more lean protein, and significantly less junk. Think of food as skincare from the inside out. Fuel your body like you love it, and watch your natural attractiveness, your energy, and your confidence skyrocket. This is a fundamental habit for unlocking your full potential.
Habit 7. Digital addiction. The silent beauty thief. Finally, our seventh habit, and perhaps the silent killer of beauty today, digital addiction. Spending hours glued to your phone or laptop, blue light exposure, late night doom scrolling, endless hours of screen time, it's wrecking your skin, your sleep, and even your facial structure.
It's not just an exaggeration. Tech neck is now a real phenomenon. Constantly looking down at screens literally changes the shape of your jawline and neck over time. Not to mention, social media comparison makes you feel uglier, even if you're not, as you start seeing yourself through filters and curated fake perfection. It diminishes your self-worth and impacts your confidence.
And the blue light exposure, especially before bed, severely disrupts your sleep cycle, bringing us right back to habit 1. It's a multifaceted attack on your natural glow, impacting everything from your eye health to your mental well-being. It steals your presence, your focus, and your ability to connect with the real world.
The fix? Set firm boundaries. No phone an hour before bed. Limit doom scrolling. Fill that time with activities that actually give back to you. Reading, exercising, connecting with real humans in person. Screens steal your beauty silently. It's up to you to protect yourself. This is about being present, improving focus, and creating a healthier lifestyle, all pillars of the Take and Grow philosophy.
The big picture. Attractiveness is 80% habits and 20% genetics. Here's the ultimate truth most people miss. Most people blame their looks on genetics. They think they're stuck with the face or body they were born with. But the reality is, attractiveness is about 80% habits and 20% genetics.
Think of your body like a high-performance car. You might not have been born with a Ferrari, but if you don't change the oil, clean it, or take care of it, even the nicest car will rust and fall apart. Conversely, even a modest car, well-maintained, can run beautifully and look great for years.
And the best part? When you start fixing these habits, you'll notice results faster than you think. Sleep better for a week and you'll look younger. Fix your posture and you'll instantly appear more confident. Change your self-talk and people will literally feel your presence differently. It's not about chasing a superficial ideal. It's about being the kind of person who looks alive, radiant, confident, and attractive from the inside out.
This is the climax of our discussion. Are you going to keep letting these 7 habits quietly diminish your glow, or are you going to start taking control today? Because life is short, and every moment you waste stuck in bad habits is a moment your true self, the vibrant, confident version of you, gets buried under tiredness, stress, and negativity.
You don't need surgery, you don't need expensive products. You just need to treat yourself like someone worth taking care of, because you are. And when you do, when you sleep well, stand tall, calm your stress, care for your skin, feed your body right, speak to yourself kindly, and cut down on screen time, you'll unlock the magnetic version of you that turns heads, not because you're chasing beauty, but because you've built it from the inside out. This is how you truly take and grow.
Hit that like button if you got value. Subscribe so you don't miss our next video.
Now, it's your turn. Which of these 7 habits are you guilty of right now? Be honest with yourself. Drop it in the comments below. Sharing is the first step to taking action. And if you're ready to truly glow up, if you're serious about building daily habits that make you look and feel unstoppable, hit that like button, subscribe to Take and Grow, and share this video with someone who needs this wake-up call. Because you're not ugly, you're just one decision away from becoming magnetic. So start today.